going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Sunday. What we're going to do is jump into the Bitcoin price, see what's going on. I have been doing a water only or juice only fast for the last 3 days. No food. It's coming up on 4 days. I feel pretty good. Just been having water. And today is the first day that I had some sugarcane juice. So I've been doing that, and been praying more, trying to get back on track, and get on my P's and Q's. So I just wanted to hop on here, go over a few things as far as the Bitcoin price goes. Make sure you smash up the likes, please. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And what we're gonna do now is jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, guys, looks like we are at 25,965. We hit a high of 26.2, came down. Looking like we could come back up to the 26.5 range, between these ranges, and then possibly come back down to 24,000. And why do I say that? I say that because 4-hour looks bullish. However, on the daily, doesn't look too good. And then as you can see here, RSI, stochastic RSI, and VWAP, which is the orange line, is pointing down. However, money flow is starting to move up on the 4-hour, which is great. We have momentum wave pointing up, which is great. But however, let's look at the daily chart. Then we got CPI this week as well. So the numbers coming out, I think, can make Bitcoin drop more, unfortunately. However, we'll see how this plays out. So on the daily chart, we have possibly, like I mentioned in a previous video, a bullish divergence. Looks like we're starting to curl up a little bit. We'll see how the next candle will play out. But money flow is super red, guys. This is why I think we're going to come down more. Money flow is still red. We do have some momentum pointing up on the RSI, stochastic RSI, and then we got VWAP in the back here, looking like it is pointing up as well. So I think we could go up. However, again, I think we could go up and then come back down with the numbers coming out, our CPI and data, all the data numbers coming up, which is what these are right here. Core inflation rate, FOMC, Fed press meeting, retail sales. All right, so it's really just these two. This is Tuesday, and this is Monday. So we'll see how this goes, because that will affect the market overall. We looked at the 4-hour, we looked at the daily. Let's look at the 1-hour. Coming down. I think that's what we started out at. So we did come up, came back down, bouncing back up. Let's look and see what this is looking like. Could be a rising wedge, which is bearish. Another reason why I think we're going down. It's my son in the background. have an alert here if we come back up, but I think we can do something like this. Maybe do something along the lines of maybe something like that. We shall see. But I think we're also looking at this level here. As resistance. So if we do break out, I think we'll come up to 26.7, possibly consolidate, move higher. Maybe we can do I don't know, guys. Looking real bearish long term. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly, we got the red dot that happened on the week of April 17th, the week after we hit our high for the year, and then we started to come down ever since. So as you can see here, been coming down, coming down, coming down. So unless we can do one of these, that would be ideal, but if not, man, looking quite bearish. I would probably, I don't know if we'll go this deep down, but I don't know. We'll see how this plays out. However, this does look like a falling wedge, which is bullish. Falling wedges are bullish, so that's good. Or you can consider this a flag. And then that would mean to about 35,000, which is where I have a trade set up at. If we go down to let's go to the 4 hour. I have a long setup at 24.2 and then take profit at 35,000. And I have an alert at 34,000, so I'll probably take profits there. So that is the trade I have set up now. Hopefully I can get filled. If not, I'll be okay if we just pump. That'll be much better than, just, coming down. But based on the market cipher indicator, again, coming down on VWAP, RSI, stochastic RSI, but we are coming up on money flow and and momentum wave. So with that being said, that is the Bitcoin price for the day. Let's jump into Twitter and we'll check out CoinGlass. This is DJ Khaled. I thought this was hilarious. Posted this 7 hours ago, and that was at 25.9. We hit a high of 26.2, as I mentioned, so could have done a long. Bitcoin is for everyone. Everybody is retweeting this. I thought this was dope. 2021, you're alone. 2022, you meet someone. 2023, get married and add a baby. You did add a baby in 2023. Some people thought I was having a baby. Not yet. And this also blew up. 105 retweets, 67,000 views. If you guys want a flag, make sure you go to bitcoinflags.shop and get you some Bitcoin flags. True love is many things and can survive the strongest and most painful of times. When love comes out of the other side of the fire, it may be scarred forever, but this bruised love is somehow only greater for having survived the pain. Amen. Do the math. Gold, equities, real estate, debt-based money will soon be coming into Bitcoin. Volcano Energy, make sure you follow that account. Shout out to Max. There's Joyce Myers with the good word per usual. Bitcoin Umbrella. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and save those who are crushed in spirit. Amen. This will be my season of money, love, progress, and joy. Affirm. Yes. Amen. Psalms 34:5. Those who look for him for help will be radiant with joy. A perfect reminder that seeking him is the ultimate solution. Amen. Believe everything is yours that you want, because it is. And as I mentioned, day 3 of water only fast. I want to eat so bad, guys, but discipline. It's mind over matter.
Because we're mortal. I'll tell you a secret. Something they don't teach you in your temple. The gods envy us. They envy us because we're mortal. Because any moment might be our last. Everything's more beautiful because we're doomed. You will never be lovelier than you are now. We will never be here again. I'll tell you a secret.
I thought that was a great little clip from Troy. The movie was fire. And the last thing is everything takes time. Everything meaningful takes time. So with that being said, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ChrisKnight407. And with that being said, click the links below, of course, for, if you wanted to check out the flags, go to bitcoinflags.shop. If you want to get Fold and 5,000 free Satoshis, use the link below. Make sure you check out FOMO21.com for your Bitcoin merch. Make sure you check out the Sun Exchange for your passive income in investing in solar panels in Africa, which is dope. I have a live video on that. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Also, if you need help with your credit, that link is down below. Also, if you want to trade on BingX, that link is also down below. Be careful with trading. Don't over leverage. Better to just stack away. But if you do want to trade, that link is below. ERC as well. If you guys own a business and you kept your employees, that's something that help you out as well. And all the other links down below. Check out my music page. And with that being said, Bitcoin Chris checking out. Happy Sunday. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.